wait to take a bite, right?
Superstar, superstar, you've been lied to. You've been lied, but the stars never lied to me. Tell them all, right beside you. Right beside me, you could be happy. Astrology is not part of me, but something about that night sky. Superstar, superstar, you've been lied to. Yeah, they lie, but the stars don't lie to. Fill it up, go and rocket my ship. Shoot it up in space, a damn kid. Bottoms up, face it, so I did. Up here so bright, it does not got a bad feeling, shine. In the sky we both need it, Superstar, superstar, you've been lied to. Yeah, they lie, but the stars never lied.
Yo. What's up? Chef MD right here. Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of my outdoor cooking, right? We're on the beach right now, Bluffers Beach. I do all the barbecue and thing, right? I start already, you know, guys, because it's kind of cool late and thing, so I already put the shish kebab them on the grill and thing. So you guys never get to see that, but you can have a look at them now, right? These are some shish kebab, right? These are chicken shish kebab. And these are pork, right? I'm almost ready still, but we're gonna go ahead and put some sauce on them. Put some barbecue sauce, some homemade barbecue sauce, right? Alright, so this is my homemade barbecue sauce. Right? Just I'll go ahead and throw some of this to make it look easier, make it handle a little easier, right? Alright, I'm just going to go ahead and kind of clean them.
We're going to go closer to the water, okay guys?
Yeah, no problem.
It's okay.
Yeah, that's alright. No, that's alright. Trust me, that just be nice.
Because you think
Yeah. Alright.
that looks so good.
So good, eh? Holy. Can't wait to take a bite, right? Guys, if you smell what this smell right now from the beach, trust me. So good.
I'm going to leave her, okay? We're going to go closer to the water.
Oh look guys, oh look. Magnificent, don't it? Tastes magnificent too. Alright. So just gonna close it down for a bit. Allow the sauce to seal inside this fish kebab, right? And then I flip it, sauce the other side, and then take those off. And we're doing some shrimp as well, right? And we have some more chicken. So yeah man, that's how we do it, man. Yeah guys, alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and turn these, right? And actually put my sauce on the other side, let it seal and take them off, right? So see what I'm going on. Guys, look how them look. Talk true, honestly. You guys you not see it right now. Just tell me how it look. Son never there right now. I swear. No one love this right now, I swear guys. Wow, this is awesome. Alright, so I'm just gonna paint the other side. Alright, with that nice barbecue sauce. Very flavorful. It's an A-class kebab, trust me. A-class kebab. Magnificent. Wow. Alright, so I'm just gonna allow the sauce to seal on this side and then take those off. We're gonna place some shrimp and some more chicken and pork as well, right? Yeah, man. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Alright. So magnificent them look. Look at that. Oh my word. Alright, so right here. I'm gonna put some more on the grill. Guys, y'all have no space in them, man. Boy, I run out of space. Too much stuff. Alright, so this is more pork, right? Also, we're gonna place. Just get rid of this and put this here right now. Also gonna place some shrimp. Some shrimp on the grill. Right? These are the shrimps. Guys, this smells magnificent. Trust me. Wow. Man. I don't know some I can't eat shell food, but my bad pan shell food, trust me. And I'm looking for seafood going on. Lick all on the toe. And I wonder how the sauce reach on the toe, all on the toe and all it. Magnificent. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a taste test. Alright? Look at it. Wow. I didn't do that for the dog. Magnificent. Magnificent. Wow. Wow. This is wonderful. Trust me. Yo, cameraman. You need to try one of this. Trust me. It's bad like yard.
This was that was a whole exercise.
Wish I could get through to you, don't know what to do to you. Anything I say will come off as wrong and you're not alone. Something feels out of place, but you have no tell. It's like we want the same things, but the lines we've drawn are too parallel. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, oh. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. I know that you feel some type of way, girl.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and place some chicken on the grill, right? I'm just gonna add some Heineken. See? Add some Heineken. Take the extra flavor. Alright. I'm just gonna go ahead. Kind of move it around a bit. You know? Alright guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and place some on the grill. Guys, you want to smell this? Trust me, this smells nice. I swear. I'm not gonna put a lot on the grill though because I'm gonna put some burger meat as well. Right? Just let me go ahead and cover it. Definitely need a bigger table, isn't it? Definitely need a bigger table. The table too small. You know? Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some patty, some burger patty. Beef patty on the grill. Let me just do the about like 2 or 3. Not gonna do much. Guys, these are still frozen. Shit. Wow. Still frozen, you see it? Alright, finally get it off. Just gonna go over and cover it down. But rain never fall, guys. Look at the sky. Watch it. You're saying there's a thunderstorm, right? Alright, guys. They said that a storm is coming, right? So we have to pack up and leave, right? So I'm not gonna get to finish this video, but next time again we do it again. Still, you see me? Sky kind of stay away still. I'm not lie. Swear the rain not due. Yeah, that's the one batch, yeah. Just hope to finish this still. I wouldn't mind the rain just roll up on this still. You know, I'm going to try to finish this too.
Are you able to get them some?
Yeah, man, please.
You know, I'm going to finish this too, but I'll try to finish this now. Yeah, if I even have one batch of chicken, you know, people? Yeah, boy, the rain mess up with this.
You guys have grandma?
Just not going to try to finish that. Definitely not going to try. Alright, so let's sauce them up back real quick. Throw them on back in the bowl, alright? More balcony of the jacket. Yeah, got no sir, man. Yeah, people bring come mash up the day star. Never expect this, you know. Kind of reach here late still, but at least we don't expect to just go down to the night, you know. Everything just go to a boat in the night and thing, but no one knows the rain that really start, you know. So, just soak them chicken and soak still, you know, so I make them stay and soak. See if the rain can well up to them chicken already, just one batch, you know. Sure. Yeah, take it and finish at home. Finish at home, you know. Them not going to throw you out of the apartment. But they might finish tonight. Now I left them out. They're half done. Alright, so yeah man, guys.
playground for the sinners to play as saints. You'd be so proud of what we made. I hope you got some beds of